So for me, YouTube has been a place where I always run to when I'm searching for something. I'm always on YouTube. If I want to know something, I always run to YouTube. And today I decided, let me stop consuming and start creating. So as I remember back in the day, like in 2009, I was searching on the internet, I'm always searching for to learn something. So I was there, how can people start this? How can people fix this? How can people do this? And then I was on Google, yeah? And then right away, YouTube popped up. And from there on, I've been glued to YouTube. I'm always on YouTube trying to check this, trying to learn something. And I'm a person who's always curious and like to learn new things. You know, when I see something new comes up, I'm always wanting to learn. And that's how I decided, let me make this YouTube channel. So this is the reason why I made this YouTube channel, because I wanted to help other people out there who are also like me back then, always willing to learn, always curious about something, and they're always looking up, what can I learn? What can I learn? So I want this YouTube channel to help other people out there who are always searching for something. So I want to start creating something that when somebody comes on the channel, they'll be able to learn something. So what I will try to do on this YouTube channel is I'll try to create videos of anything that I learn. For example, if there's any tool that I've learned, I'll make a video and I'll post it on YouTube so that someone can search it up and they can learn something from that things that I've learned as well. For example, if it's a side hustle, I'll break it down on this channel, and then someone will come up and they'll try and see, what is this side hustle about? And they'll benefit from the side hustle. If they're interested to start that side hustle, they'll do it. Maybe it's a gadget that has come up. Anything that's I'll learn, I'll be always coming on this channel to break it up. So if you are there and you are interested and you think like, oh, this is something that I'm interested in, please subscribe to this channel. Remember to like, remember to leave a comment, and then I'll be also uploading every week. Expect a video from me just to share anything that I've learned. Thank you.